For any piece that you do, I recommend that you do Pomodoros, which is where you work for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, do about 4 of those, and then take a 30-minute break. It's pretty typical for me to lay down the darkest values first. While I'm painting the arm, I'm also taking time to paint parts of the dress that are right behind that arm. I'm taking a mixture of raw umber and alizarin crimson, and I'm starting to apply all of the creases. You might consider using a mixing medium like liquid or oleo gel. Most art conservators will encourage artists to not use mixing mediums that have dryers in it. You can see that I've been using the same Colineo brushes through the entire piece. I've been using 3 different sizes, which are available in my brush set, which are available in the link below. And we'll go ahead and look at the finished result so we can get a sense of what those marks look like when they're all finished. From far away, everything looks realistic, but when you look up close, you can see the honest nature of these marks and how they're not perfect, but all of them kind of work together to shape a form.